Hello? Is anyone home?
Mom! Dad! Help!
I cannot see the road.
The rain is too heavy, David. We are lost. My phone has no internet.
We need to stop and wait.
I don't like the thunder, Mom. It is very loud.
Look up there! A building!
It looks like an old castle.
Run to the door! Quickly!
I am getting wet.
Hello? Is anyone home?
I hope someone is awake.
Good evening. You look very cold.
Our car stopped. Can we stay here? Can we stay here tonight?
Welcome to Blackwood Castle. Come in.
It is very dark in here.
I have a warm room for you upstairs.
Thank you so much. We are very tired. Time to sleep, kids. You are safe now.
Is this a haunted castle, Mom?
There are no ghosts, Peter. Only old stones.
Good night, Dad. Peter, wake up! What is it, Anna? A ghost! Look, it is a ghost! Mom! Dad! Help!
We are here! What is wrong?
Are you okay? The ghost is moving!
Wait, let me look.
Oh, it is just a cat. He is not a ghost. He is soft.
You scared us, little cat.
See? I told you there are no ghosts.
Now, let's go back to sleep. Good morning! The sun is shining. The castle is not scary in the daytime.
Thank you for the room, Mr. Arthur.
Have a safe journey, my friends.
Goodbye, castle! Goodbye, ghost cat. That was a great adventure.